Hi, this is Dr. Scott Watson with a fun game for reviewing key signatures. One important note, this game is not meant to teach you key signatures, it's just meant to help you drill and practice those key signatures. If you'd like to learn all about major and minor key signatures and how to recognize them by looking at how many sharps and flats there are, please check out my 3 tutorial videos, one on major key signatures, and then the other 2 are on both parallel minor key signatures and relative minor key signatures. They're linked right below. We're going to use a deck of playing cards, but we're going to set up the deck in a special way. All you need to play this game is a standard deck of playing cards. Just separate out the ace through 7 in each of the suits. You want the black suits so that they can represent the flats, right? The clubs and the spades will represent flat keys. And then the red suits, the diamonds and the hearts, they'll represent the sharp keys. Once you have the deck set up, you'll be able to show a red card for sharp. So ace represents 1 sharp, which is the key of G major or E minor. Or let's say 2 of clubs. That would be 2 flats, B flat major or G minor. 3 sharps, that's A major or F sharp minor. 5 of spades, that's 5 flats. That's either D flat major or B flat minor. All right, we're going to play a major key signature game first, and then later on in the video we'll play a minor key signature game. So if you'd like to just review minor key signatures, fast forward to that. I'll have a link down below for where the minor key signature game is. Each game will have 3 rounds of 10 questions each. The first round at a slow speed, the second round at a medium speed, and then the lightning round, the third round, the cards will come pretty quick. In the first 2 rounds, I will share what the correct answer is before we go on, so you'll know if you got it right or wrong, if you're playing this competitively with another, or if you've divided, say, a class into 2 groups of students. You'll know who got the point for round 1 and round 2. Now, round 3, the lightning round, the cards are going to come pretty fast. So what I'll do is at the end of each round of that round, I will then display all 10 correct answers, and you can divide up the points. Hope you did well quizzing those major keys. And now it's time for our minor key playing card quiz. We're going to do this one old school. Just me, you, and the playing cards. If you're playing competitively, you'll have to decide who gets the point. I'll give you a little more time in round 1, right? We'll go slow. Round 2, we'll go a little faster. In both of those rounds, I'll tell you the correct answer. And then in round 3, I will just put the cards up one at a time very quickly, and then we'll give you all the answers at the very end. Okay, here we go. Round 1. 1 flat. That's D minor. 3 sharps. That's going to be F sharp minor. That is 4 flats. That's going to be F minor. 5 sharps. That's going to be G sharp minor. Oops, sorry. 3 flats. That's C minor. Oops. 2 sharps. 2 sharps. B minor. 4 sharps. That's C sharp minor. 2 flats is G minor. Just 1 sharp. That is E minor. Oh, and this is brutal. 6 sharps. 6 sharps is D sharp minor. All right, ready for round 2? We're going to go just a little bit faster. Again, I'll show you the card, give you just a second or two to think of the answer, then I will tell you the answer. So here we go with our minor keys, round 2. All right, 4 flats is F minor. 3 sharps is F sharp minor. 2 flats is G minor. 4 sharps is C sharp minor. 3 flats is C minor. 5 sharps is G sharp minor. 2 sharps is B minor. How about 5 flats? 5 flats is B flat minor. Getting tough here. 6 flats is E flat minor. And this one is kind of brutal too. 7 flats. You don't see this except for maybe in a Chopin prelude. That's A flat minor. So how'd you do? And now it's time for the lightning round for minor keys. I'm only going to show you the card for a split second, during which time you should identify the minor key. After all 10 cards are shown, we'll give you the answers. Here we go. 1 flat. 2 sharps. 3 flats. 5 sharps. 1 sharp. 2 flats. How about 4 flats? 6 flats. 4 sharps. And finally, 7 sharps. Let's see how you did. I hope the key signature card game helped you become more confident naming key signatures at sight quickly. If you feel like you need more practice, perhaps make your own set of key signature cards and practice by yourself or with a friend.